Oh, not even Santa is spared from neck pain. All those lists. No wonder. Same problem, always. Too much sitting, endless desk work, not moving your head enough. Everything tightens up, posture gets worse, and it just keeps pulling in more and more. And that's exactly what we're going to release today, with the right exercises so that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you can do about your neck pain, not just during the holiday season. So what exactly can we do now to relax what's tight and tense and get it nice and supple again? Sit up straight just like Santa does, then slowly turn your head about 45 degrees to the left, bend your left elbow and gently pull your shoulder down as far as comfortable. And then you might already feel a slight pull on the left side of your neck. Now take your right hand, reach over your head, keep that exact 45-degree angle and gently pull your head forward, guiding it in a smooth and controlled motion. Down to the right, but keep your back nice and straight throughout. Now you'll clearly feel the stretch developing in the back of your neck on the left side. And gradually deepen the stretch, tuning into the intensity that's just within your comfort zone and still feels good for you. And whenever you notice, it's getting a bit easier now because the muscles are releasing and the fascia is giving way, then you ease a little deeper into the stretch. Hold this for 1 minute. In the second minute, apply gentle resistance by pressing your head in the opposite direction. The opposite direction is back up and to the left. You engage in that direction but keep your head firmly in place, then release and notice how you can ease deeper into the stretch. And you repeat that for a second minute. Then at the end you release and actively pull the head once more, which has remained further in the rotation, maintaining that 45-degree rotation. And essentially draw your right temple down toward your right knee, then slowly release and come back out again. We've shifted everything over here now, and that's okay. Now do the same on the other side. You turn your head 45 degrees to the right. Then, in the direction you're facing, bend your elbow and slowly pull it downward. And do the same with the shoulder, but keep your back otherwise completely straight. Then take your left hand, go over the top of your head and gently pull your head forward and down toward the left. You'll notice a tight spot at the back right of your neck. That's exactly where it needs to be stretched out. And just like on the other side, you keep increasing the stretch for 1 minute. So that whenever it eases off, you increase the intensity again to the level you can still comfortably handle. Breathe calmly, deeply in and out, and in the second minute, pull with your head as if it wants to go backward, up and to the right, but hold it firmly in place. Now we're bringing in strength here, and the muscles start communicating with each other about how best to span across the cervical spine, working together to ensure the discs in the neck are guided as smoothly and effectively as possible. And then you relax again and sink deeper into the stretch because after this contraction you keep going. And you pull your head back up and to the right once more, relax again and ease deeper into the stretch. You do that throughout the second minute, then slowly take your hand away and gently guide your head forward and down to the left, directing it toward your left knee, using only your own strength and keeping the movement smooth and controlled. Just really take your time with it, then slowly come back out, return to the starting position and allow yourself to relax for a moment. Keep the head centered. We're focusing on the muscles that run along the cervical spine on the right and left sides. Stay sitting nice and upright. Bring both hands forward and place them on the upper back of your head. We need to make sure your hat doesn't slip out of place. Keep your back straight and gently pull your head forward. Pull your head forward but keep your back straight. Just the head. You're only moving your head forward while the back stays straight. Back stays straight, head forward. Very good. Here it comes. And then you'll feel the pull right in the middle, directly at the cervical vertebrae, and it might even burn a little bit as well. Don't be alarmed. That's completely normal in that area, this kind of stretch. Just keep pulling down steadily for 1 full minute, with an intensity that's just within your comfort zone. It should still feel like a pleasant, manageable kind of pain. Then in the second minute, gently pull your head upward. Keep holding it, then ease back and gradually move deeper into the stretch. Keep repeating this cycle until the second minute has fully passed. And then stay exactly in that position, but gently remove your hands from your head. Very good, nice and straight, sitting upright and steady. With control like this, maintaining alignment with just your head moving forward, down into internal rotation, so into forward rotation and downward, and you come back out. And now there's one more exercise missing, specifically for the muscles up front, which are the antagonists. They also need to be loosened up. Then you'll be truly surprised by how you'll feel afterward. And for this exercise, you simply take your left index finger up to your forehead and your right index finger down to your chin. Very good. That way we control how the head is positioned. And now gently feel the head moving straight back, parallel to the floor. That means the chin moves backward and the head follows along. Then you'll notice your chin gradually moving further and further down toward the cervical spine, or the chin moves back, pulling the head with it. You'll feel it going toward the neck until you can't go further without lifting your head. And the moment that happens, you lift your head, which means the chin can move forward and upward, and the head continues to go further back, further and further back. Very good, very good. Keep going. And then you notice it starts pulling inside. It feels really uncomfortable. Be careful, because if you're not used to this exercise, it's going to feel really hard at first for you. So watch the exact point where it's still just a comfortable, pleasant kind of pain. 1 minute, keep gradually increasing with the necessary caution, and then moving steadily into the second minute. You can then remove the lower hand at the end since you're staying on top. Where the lower hand can go, very good. In the center of the forehead, and in the second minute, press upward with your forehead as if your head is trying to lift higher. You resist it, then release and relax, slowly lean in a bit further, and once more, you push upward but hold against it. Then relax and sink even deeper. And you do that for a second minute, and at the very end, gently release your forehead, and slowly draw your head once more up and back into the full extension, just a little deeper. As far as possible, keep pulling deeper and deeper, then slowly ease out, releasing the stretch with control and care, staying smooth throughout. Yes, slowly come back out and ease off a bit. And now one special tip for you, something else you can do to help your neck open up even faster. Namely, our fascia roller massage. Grab yourself a small roller. If you don't have ours, maybe use a small spray bottle wrapped in something soft, or pretty much any dog toy that's about that size. And now, here's what happens next. Now go ahead and turn your head to the right. Then slowly start bringing your left temple down toward your left knee. That's exactly the ending position of one of the exercises, as you can probably notice. And then just bring both hands up, Nicholas. Take both hands and start slowly at the lower edge of the skull. Reach back behind your ear. There's a little bone you can clearly feel. Start there and roll downward with steady pressure, moving really slowly, because our main goal right now is to stimulate metabolism and to properly activate the receptors, those tiny signaling units embedded within the muscle tissue. In the fascia, in the tissue, which are responsible for relaxation, those should activate now, and then we get metabolism going and we bring more relaxation into that area. That way you can really intensify the exercises. I always recommend doing them in the morning and then spending time rolling into the Christmas tree in the evening. And there's no set timing. Just roll down slowly, very slowly, from that corner of the skull as far as you possibly can go, until you notice you've arrived in the area near the shoulder blade. And the same thing again on the other side. Turn your head now to the left, body stays straight, very good. And bring your right temple slowly down toward your right knee. Now take the roll diagonally across to the opposite side, starting halfway from the left. Search for the corner again here under the ear, and also roll down slowly, gradually continuing further down. Always roll toward the heart. That's the basic rule. Stop where the shoulder blade begins. And finally, we'll take our Medi-Roll. Just check what you've got at home in case you don't have our roller yet, because we've got this indentation here to protect the cervical spine. And now reach your hands all the way back behind you. Very good. And then roll slowly, deeply from up here, down and down, step by step. Downward, roll down slowly, deeply with full intensity. And at some point it'll become too difficult for the arms. Lift your elbows a bit higher, then it'll be a little easier, and roll down as far as you can. And then you're getting circulation going right where you stretched before, and your neck will feel noticeably better. And what's the extra Christmas treat? Of course, a Christmas special. It includes the fascia roll massage set with these 4 parts. It includes our stretching strap, which is essential for many of the exercises, and our pressure set, so you can apply targeted pressure yourself and perform the techniques independently. Save 15% on this 3-piece bundle when you shop at our online store today.